Maker.
Hi, I'm Watt. This is the community event board. Let's start by making some neighbors. Make your neighbor. Let's start by making a neighbor. Pick a body shape that you like. Now you can pick eyes, arms, legs, or wheels. Name that neighbor.
Racer gal. Creamy. Wheels. Shreds. Silly. Zip. Rink. Skimperly. Chili. Amanda. Knits. Mitts. Midi. Racer. Creamy. Midi. Knits. Amanda. Gloverman.
You can always come back and make as many neighbors as you like. Oh, wow, look at all these City Island events! Let's check one out! Block party! Block parties are fun neighborhood gatherings where neighbors come together to play games, eat food, and enjoy each other's company. Let's check it out! There are 3 puzzles to put together here. An ice cream truck, a karaoke machine, and a jump house. Drag out some neighbors for even more fun! Excellent! You can open the tray to add more neighbors or items to an event at any time. A jump house! I bet if we get it going, the neighbors would love it.
3, 2, 1, yeah!
Let's light up the new year! You did it! The jump house looks amazing. You can put neighbors on it to bounce.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Let's light up the new year!
Great party!
Mr. Frosty is ready to serve the neighbors. Excellent! Now the neighbors can sing along if you bring them near the microphone. All of the events are up and running. Bring out all your favorite neighbors to have some fun. Let's name that neighbor.
Stop. Kite. Flyer.